Hey, want more subscribers?
Yes.
Let's keep it simple.
Yes.
Follow these 5 quick steps on how to get subscribers fast. Hi, my name is Catherine. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share with you 5 quick steps in how to get subscribers fast. Step number 1, get clicks. In order for you to get clicks, you have to make sure that your thumbnails stand out. How are you going to make sure that your thumbnails stand out? You are going to use bright colors, and you are going to make sure that you use short, catchy phrases. You are competing with millions of content creators out there, and so you want to make sure that your thumbnails stand out. Make your thumbnails attractive so that persons will want to click on your video. Step number 2 in how to get subscribers fast. You have to keep your viewers watching. This isn't so much just them clicking on the video. You have to make sure that they stay on your video and watch your video in its entirety. In the first 10 seconds of your video, you need to make sure that you hook your audience. I always tell my students when they are writing, their first sentence has to hook their readers. If you fail to hook your reader in the first sentence, you've lost them. When they click on your video, you want them to stay watching your video. Make sure you cut out all the boring parts. Nobody wants to watch your video and you've lost their attention. Make sure that you share fun stories. Make sure you share tips that they feel are worthwhile. Remember, they are your audience, so you need to put out content that appeals to them. Make your videos exciting so that they will keep watching your videos and keep coming back to your channel each and every time you put out a video. Step number 3 in how to get subscribers fast. Don't be ashamed to ask persons to subscribe to your channel. I mean, after all, you want to make sure that you always get subscribers. So, while in the middle of your video, you can say something like, if you like watching these type of videos, subscribe for more. Or if you like this content, subscribe for more. It can only help you. You can just use a simple, subtle reminder, a pop-up button, something just to say, hey, don't forget to subscribe. And don't try shove it down their throats. You don't want to be so aggressive. You don't want to be that person every minute you saying, subscribe to my channel. You don't want to be that person. Number 4 in how to get subscribers fast. You have to make sure that you post. You have to make sure that you post consistently. Remember, consistency is key. You have to make sure that you put something on your channel. Remember, persons don't know you, so you need to make sure that you are always creating and posting videos so that you can give the algorithm something. If you put nothing there, then they won't have anything to push out to your target audiences. If you post consistently and you always put out videos, you are showing the algorithm that, hey, I mean business. This ain't no play thing. Remember, this is something that you are serious about doing. So if this is something that you are serious about doing, you want to make sure that you are uploading as often as possible. Now, I know some of us have regular jobs and we may not be able to post a video every day, but try to post as often as you can. If you upload, say Mondays, let's just say Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, do it at the same time. Routines are always good. Look at your analytics. You need to know when your audience are most active. And in order for you to know when your audience are most active, you need to look at the YouTube analytics, and it will tell you when your audience are most active on your channel. If you know that your audiences are most active at 5 p.m. when you put out your videos, say Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, make sure that you put it out the same time, because it gives the algorithm something to work with, and they know that, hey, she posts, he posts, they post every Monday and Wednesday at 5 p.m. and then they will always have something to push out to your target audiences at this time. When you are doing content on your channel, for God's sake, stick to one topic. You ever watch a video and you don't know what the person is talking about because they are talking about 10 million things other than what the topic is? So stick to one topic. I know sometimes we like to run on and ramble, but try your best not to fall into that trap. Step 5 in how to get subscribers fast: use trends. Try to make videos on topics that are popular. Try to make videos on topics that are trending. Give the people what they want. Remember, these are your customers. The viewers are your customers, so you need to give the viewers what they want. Okay? So don't post. Yes, you can post what you want, but make sure it aligns with what the customer wants, what the viewers want. Okay? Because sometimes we want posts, but that may not be what resonates with the viewers. Another thing that you can do, you can also collab with other YouTubers. Now, I know this may be difficult when you are first starting because no one knows you and people don't trust working with people they don't know. So if you continue to post and if you continue to get subscribers, then this will open doors for other YouTubers to recognize you and they will want to work with you. But consistency is the key. You have to upload videos so that you can grow your channel, so that persons will want to work with you because they will know what you are all about. If you follow these 5 quick steps, I guarantee you will get subscribers fast. Let me know in the comments section, what was your favorite tip? And don't forget to subscribe. I'm just waiting for a tide to come up so that I can unwind in that water you see in the back there. But it's too low for me to swim. So I'm just waiting for the tide to come. Isn't it beautiful? I will see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye.